Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a quick video about building a Matlab program that can detect, scan and detect the harmonic patterns. I hope that you are familiar with these patterns. There's Polish and Bearish patterns. Uh, there's just you can Google them. You will find some called butterfly, some called bat, some called crab, and there's many more, shark and many more. Okay, just a quick demo for this. Today is 6 February 2022. This is a BTC USDT. Just I'm interested on Bitcoin USDT pair. So when you just make a bullish, trying to find the bullish pattern, all patterns. So this program I made the performance index or an error in this case. So whenever it find the pattern, and this error will be low when this pattern as much as near the current price. Okay, it's not in the past. When this number is very low, so it's captured in the current day or current tick. So I am just using 1 day time frame and making 50 iteration. When this is fixed, no change on this, so it will iterate until 50, and we see the result here. So I detect this pattern, and you can see this pump of the Bitcoin. Okay, so if we just trying the bearish, trying to find bearish in another pair, for example Luna USDT, and just make an iteration. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, we detect this pattern here, and as you can see, the pattern is falling here. Okay, that's all. This is the programs. If you need to contact me, I will leave it here. This is my email, and this is my phone number, WhatsApp, and this is my payment. Okay, just contact me before you send anything. Just you can contact me before sending any payment. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon.